Why are there not more people talking about used Kia Souls? Let's spill the beans. Alright, so you're eyeing that used Kia Soul. First off, let's talk about the positives. The Kia Soul is known for its unique, boxy design. Love it or hate it, it stands out. Inside, you get plenty of headroom and a surprisingly spacious interior, which is great for road trips or hauling stuff around. Plus, it's pretty fuel efficient, saving you some bucks at the pump. Now, the price. Used Kia Souls are generally affordable, making them a budget-friendly option. And let's not forget the tech. Many models come with cool features like touchscreens, Bluetooth, and backup cameras. But hey, nothing's perfect, right? Here are a few things to watch out for. Some older models have had reliability issues, especially with the transmission. So, check the car's history and maybe even get a pre-purchase inspection. And while those quirky looks are fun, it might not be everyone's cup of tea. If you plan to resell it later, consider if its unique style will appeal to future buyers. So, should you buy a used Kia Soul? If you're looking for something affordable, practical, and a little bit different, it could be a great match. Just do your homework and make sure it's in good shape. Happy car hunting.